Hi guys, News 3's Mark Lovacat here. I'll be honest, when I got home from work at 6:30 tonight, I pretty much stayed cooped up in the house. Did my taxes tonight, which was great, but I decided to venture out a little bit to, oh my gosh, to see what things are like outside. I'm going to venture through this drift here that's probably about a good 3.5, 4 feet deep. There's the blizzard warning, ladies and gentlemen. Let's venture out a little bit to the roadway here. Neighbors are going to have a tough time getting out. Oh yeah, me too. That's great. This is Maple Grove Drive, Madison's west side. And here, I'll point this up at the light. You can see, boy, it is just swirling. The snow, it is so windy out here, bitter cold. And you can't even see the tracks to get back into my, into my driveway here, from 3 hours ago. Desolate conditions here on Madison's west side. Windy conditions too. And it is a nasty night out here, folks. If you don't have to go out, please don't.